Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Warren G. Chan and I'm here now to show you guys. This is one of the coolest apartment that I ever seen in my entire life, and this is my friend's David Brown's apartment. So you guys sit back and relax, and I'm gonna show you how to do a 950 square feet apartment into like really amazing one.
The place we live is the best presentation of ourselves. There truly is no place like home. That's why it's important to decorate your space with furniture according to your taste. Because it's your home, this is where you relax, return after work, where you entertain friends, and where you should feel the most comfortable. David definitely put his personal touch on the space.
Oh my god, guys, and I never imagined that I will find a bird inside an apartment. Oh my god, this is so cool.
David is a very talented man. He really made sure to include really personal touches to make it more meaningful. Being inside in David's place feels incredible. I am truly mesmerized and amazed by the furniture and decoration inside the apartment that David 100% built by himself. And David, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for showing me your paradise. And thank you so much for being a friend.
And thank you so much once again for watching my video. This is Warren G. Chan, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.